Hi everyone, I'm Sang Kim. In the previous videos, I showed you how to calculate gamma statistic, Kendall's tau B, and Stewart tau C, and Somos D. But I haven't explained how to calculate approximate t-value. The approximate t-value related to those ordinal association measurements is same. So I want to show you how to get these numbers in this video. Look at the formula related to Somos D, gamma, and Kendall's tau B. So the numerator part is same, right? So let's get this part by using this table data, and then subtract and multiply by 4. Then we can get a numerator. I will show you how to do that. So let's use offset function and select reference here. Press F4 to fix it, comma, and row, comma, and column. In terms of Dij equals capital Aij minus capital Dij squared. So we calculated this one from gamma spreadsheet here. So let's get Dij, so sum of Aij minus sum of Dij for I. Then let's get this part. So Nij times Dij and squared. And let's add up all values. Right, so numerator part is 4 times the left part minus P minus Q squared over total sample size. Alright, so let's get variance of Somos D. So numerator parts and over WR squared here, this one. And for gamma variance, let's use same numerator and over P plus Q squared. For variance of tau B, select same numerator and over WR times WC. Right. Finally, in order to calculate t value, so we need to get value over square root of variance. So Somos D, we can use value here. Column given R, row, and over square roots this one. For gamma, so we can use gamma value here and over square roots of variance. Right. From Kendall's tau B here, so value over square roots of tau B. Right. For Stewart tau C, we can directly calculate approximate t-value from here. So tau C value over asymptotic standard error. Right. So as you can see, we were able to get same approximate t-value related to ordinal association measurements. That's it for today. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to calculate approximate t-value related to ordinal association measurements. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful and if you want to see more useful video clips in the future. Thank you.